malapit na tayo. Pababa. Starting point, malapit na.
Tayo ba ang nauna oh?
Tayo lang kung ako sa loob.
Wala na, tayo lang.
Wala pang dumating. Parating pa yung iba siguro. Yan guys, morning. It's a Sunday morning, sunny morning here in our last activity for today, the white water rafting.
Ba?
Hindi. White water rafting in Cagayan. Hello, ma'am. Guys, ang dami ngayon. Ang dami ngamin na mga biyaheros na susubok sa water rafting. Guys. So, ito guys, ito yun sila guys. So, wow. So, hintay na lang kami after ng setup. After ng setup, hintay. Tapos yun, ready na kami to do the white water rafting here in Cagayan River. Guys, try nyo yung water rafting here in Cagayan. Book with us so we can arrange your rafting activity. Let's go! See you soon, viajeros, here in Cagayan. Bye-bye! Little orientation.
Okay na? Okay. How about this one here? First time? Pangalawa? First time? How about you, sir? First time dito? First time? Second time? Okay, so baby, sa tingnan lang. Downstream. Right side. That side is always Bukidnon. Left side is Cagayan de Oro from here to Edwin. Okay, and then when you face downstream, right side is always.
Sige, lakad po. Lakad po kayo doon para ma-arrange yung saan sasakay sa ganito, sa ganyan. Pwede ba? Baba pa kayo.
Okay.
I want everybody to sit outer portions sa boat.
Outer portion! Tara! Outer portion! Ay, sobra lang.
Wala na ako bubuksan, sir.
Sobra,
I just need the cell phone later on.
Okay.
Okay. If I don't have command, just put your paddle nila. Right? If I don't, ma'am, naririnig ko ba? Mahirap mag-Tagalog eh. If I don't have command, okay, ma'am, move out a little bit outside.
Outside po, yeah.
Outside. If you guys naka-sit right here,
Dito.
if you guys sit right here, ang tendency niya, yung pump niya all the way inside. Pag paupo ka sa gitna, yung pump niya all the way outside. Yun yung physics ng raft. Every rapids, lock your feet. How to lock your feet is move forward your feet. If you have grab line beside the boat, you can grab the line beside the boat. Whatever you're tight, do not let go sa T-grip.
Yes.
Okay, this is your paddle.
Yan.
Okay, your paddle may 3 parts. T-grip, lock one, shaft, and the blade. Never let go sa T-grip.
Yes.
I'm giving commands for the safety sa trip.
Okay.
If you will not follow the commands, I can guarantee that I can see yourself sa bottom sa raft. Tataob yung boat.
Wag mo kami itataob.
A few moments later, Video. Ayan. Yes! Grabe, ayun na. Tando sila. Ano na? Kayo, parang ayaw niyong tumalon ha. Bakit ayaw niyong tumalon? Talon tayo. Oh, ito na. Video na. Yun. Woo! Iyan, oh. Iyan. Woohoo! Nahulog pa, no? Nahulog!
Ang tawag na dyan pag nahulog, Eiffel.
Hindi na iPhone. Eiffel na. Yun. Yan, oh. Yan. Si ma'am, tulog ka na ma'am. Kami na bahala umaya. Ha? Hindi, pwede yan. Yung kanina yung gagamitin natin, hindi yung kanina, yung bago. O, ganyan. Sige. Talon. Yan. Woo! Yan. Oh, floating. Bye-bye. Dito lang kayo ha, dito lang. Dito lang. Pag doon. Ganda guys! Yes! Woo! Ito yung mga happenings natin dito. Pag mag-water rafting tayo guys. Yan!
Kapit kayo.
Yan, hawak kamay. Yan.
Dikit tayo dun.
I love water rafting! Yan o, hello ma'am! Yan, nag-i-enjoy si ma'am. Puti na rin yung tour guide, nag-i-enjoy! Oo, video! We survived! Yes! Thank you kagad! Uy! Limas! We survived! Kainan na! Guys, natapos na yung adventure namin dito sa Cagayan. Yes! Thank you! Wild water rafting in Cagayan de Oro. Alright. Nice na experience. Ganda experience namin. Lamig ng tubig. Yes, thank you. Ganda ng weather. Init, maulan. Walang ulan. Ayan. Sarap. Time na for chop.
Ikaw tayo.
Bye! Woo! Survive! Thank you! So, parang flat na yung mga tiyan nyo. Gusto na siguro. Wala na energy.